Okay, so here we are just outside the village of Obertraun, and it's the site of the spring of Hallstein that we're going to visit. And as you can see, it's beautiful mountains. There's a chill in the air. It's about 2.5 degrees and it's absolutely pristine with no industrialization around anywhere. The water is transported into the glass machine here and bottled. However, it's still not exposed to oxygen. Once the glasses are put by hand into the boxes, they run through a machine which ensures that their registration is accounted for each batch and there's full traceability. Well, that was hard work. All of the cases for Hallstein are made of 100% cardboard. They're very robust, beautifully decorated, and fully recyclable. I hope you enjoyed this whistle-stop tour of Hallstein nestled in the beautiful Austrian Alps. It's a small company. The production is limited by the capacity of the spring, but the quality is very high, and the owners have put a lot of care and effort into making it the best brand possible for very discerning consumers of a special natural product. What I've aimed to do is show you how the natural environment is conducive to a clean filtration of a special water. The packaging is very high quality and the recycling and environmental credentials are very well considered.